Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 27th, 2021. You guys can see I'm gonna zoom in on this chart. We're going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for XRP. Now, let me ask you all a question. Would you rather have someone give you all a heads up as to where they're expecting the price to go? Would you want someone to tell you, give you a heads up that, hey, the price is going to go here or the price is going to go there, just so that you can get in position to ensure that you're in the best position possible to win in the market? That's a good question, because that is why we're here on this particular platform, is to ensure that we are able to try to get in position and win in terms of where the market price is going to go within the cryptocurrency space. No FUD, no FOMO, no technical indicators, don't use any fundamental analysis. We just simply look at price bars and volume just to get understanding of where the price is likely to go. If you appreciate that, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to this particular channel. Also, you want to come again and again and again, because these cryptocurrencies do not close. They're open 24 hours a day. The market trades 24 hours a day. So you need to make sure that you always come back just to see if anything changed in relation to price movement. All right. So you can tell already on this particular chart that we did a price prediction in the market in XRP right here on April the 24th, right? In anticipation of looking for the market to drop in price, and it did. We had our TP price right there at $1, and it happened relatively quick. It didn't take 4 or 5 days for this market in XRP to drop below $1. It happened the next day on April the 25th. So if you didn't catch the video in time to see that occur, then you missed out, right? Because obviously you guys can see the next day on the 26th of April, the market broke the trend. I'm gonna break that down in just a second, but let's see how much profitability was given in the market right there around $1. About 7.25% was tagged out right there. Ultimately, our TP price was coming in through 90 cents or so, which would have given us 16%. But obviously you guys can tell from yesterday's price action that the market in XRP has broken the downtrend. That speaks volumes for us in relation to whether or not the downtrend is going to continue, or are we going to take a break, let the market trade sideways, and then resume back down to lower prices. Okay, so let's do this here. We are going to hold that support area rather than down here around 80 cents. The market confirmed that it wanted to hold that price above $1. So that is going to be the current newest support area in the market for XRP. So now, since we're breaking the trend, right, we're going to hold this market within the trading range then. Since we are broken this downside movement, the market in XRP literally is telling us that it wants to trade within the channel at least. Okay, so let's see if we can try to determine where the restriction area is going to be in the market for XRP. So I'm looking at this on a 1 hour time frame, and right around this vicinity is where we're going to expect the market in XRP to find the next restriction area. It might come up here towards $1.50. I think we mentioned that on our video a couple of days ago, 3 days ago. We mentioned that $1.50 was restriction in the market for XRP, and that is the current area of restriction into the market for XRP. It might be around $1.55 as well, or 52 in the market for XRP. I'm actually going to hold it there. Okay. So now this is the trading range. This is the area that we're going to expect the market in XRP to trade over the next couple of days. Okay, that's it. We're looking for the market to bounce in and between those two horizontal lines on our chart. So now, obviously, given the price movement from yesterday, okay, we can expect to see the market in XRP continue its progressional movement higher towards this restriction area, right? We're seeing some restriction coming to the market right now in XRP, which simply lets us know that the people who bought XRP right there around $1.30, $1.41, $1.40 is finally trying to take some reprieve or profit taking in the market. Okay, so that's why we're seeing this market currently give us a little bit of weakness, but the strength from yesterday based off that amount of volume has not gone anywhere. Okay, It is still visible. It is still here in the market. It is just waiting for the weakness to get out the way before XRP goes back up towards that $1.50 price level. Okay. So let me look at this on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see right here, literally on the 2-day time frame, this last completed 2-day price bar definitely lets me feel as if the market in XRP is going to break $1.50 to the upside easy. Okay, but that is the current area of restriction. So I would be expecting us to see the increase of selling occur around that price. Now, this is the 3-day time frame. It looks fantastic here in XRP. It kind of resembles that the market is not done with the movement higher in price. Okay, 13 hours, 38 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar, and we're closing towards the high of the bar. Long term, this market in XRP looks to come all the way up here towards $1.75, $1.80, given the monumental spread with the lack of volume coming through, right? If the market really was giving us some weakness, the volume will be on the increase, and we're not really seeing that increase in volume right now. So the last 3-day price bars, we're finally seeing some reclaiming of lost ground in price as the market in XRP was going down. So what we're going to do on this particular video, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in XRP. I do like what's going on a 5-day time frame, but again, that's 3 days and 14 hours left before this market completes. So we're not going to be too dependent on it right now. This area right here, $1.30, I would like to see the market hold as support. Okay, so when we do our price prediction, we're going to hold $1.30 as support into the market for XRP. Okay, right there. So we're looking for, the market to come in towards $1.50 for this first area to where we're expecting selling to increase. Okay, that's the first area. But looking at this in the long term, okay, the market doesn't have any issues to try to come up here towards $1.75 based off this current spread. Okay, this is the 3-day time frame, so it might happen relatively quick. There will be some bouts to where selling is going to come in, namely around $1.50, probably around $1.60. Okay, yeah, like $1.57 up next to $1.70. Okay, but we're going to play the strength into the market in XRP. Our first area that we're going to follow is $1.50. That is where we're going to expect the market in XRP to try to grab and touch before we see the increase in selling. Now, if the increase in selling doesn't have a major impact in the market for XRP, then we're going to see the market come up to around $1.57. Okay, which is about 13% away from where we are at right now. All right, so this is it. We're expecting the market to give us some strength over the next 3 days for XRP. And if you all want to learn how to call the markets right alongside with us, then drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, where do y'all expect this price to be in the next 3 days, right? We need to develop our understanding of reading the markets, right? So we don't become dependent on someone else to give us their ideas. I want you all to become clear-minded, reading the market for yourself, so you all can be independent in your decision making without getting persuaded into thinking that the market is going to go one way. All right, so this is what we're seeing. All right, I want you all to tell me, what do you see on the price chart? Don't leave me any confusing jargon. Just drop the comment in the comment section as to where you expect the price to be and where would you take your profit, and that's it. Questions, comments, let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.